Let's learn the names of fruits in English. Apple. An apple is a round fruit. Banana. Banana is a yellow fruit. Orange. Orange. An orange is full of juice. Grape. Grape. Grapes grow in small bunches. Strawberry. Strawberry. A strawberry is red and sweet. Watermelon. Watermelon. A watermelon is big and green. Pineapple. Pineapple. A pineapple has a rough skin. Mango. Mango. A mango is soft and sweet. Peach. Peach. A peach has soft skin. Pear. Pear. A pear is green or yellow. Cherry. Cherry. A cherry is small and red. Lemon. Lemon. A lemon tastes very sour. Lime. Lime. A lime is small and green. Kiwi. 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 A kiwi is green inside. Melon. Melon. A melon is sweet and juicy. Fig. Fig. A fig is soft and sweet. Date. Date. A date is small and very sweet. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. A pomegranate is full of red seeds. Apricot. Apricot. An apricot is small and orange. Plum. Plum. A plum is purple and juicy. Coconut. Coconut. A coconut has hard brown skin. Papaya. Papaya. A papaya is orange inside. Guava. Guava smells very nice. Raspberry. Raspberry. A raspberry is small and red. Blueberry. Blueberry. A blueberry is small and blue. Blackberry. Blackberry. A blackberry is dark and sweet. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. A cantaloupe is orange and sweet. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. A grapefruit is big and a little sour. Avocado. Avocado. An avocado is green and creamy. Passion fruit. Passion fruit is sweet and sour. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is pink outside. Lychee. Lychee. A lychee is small and juicy. Persimmon. Persimmon. A persimmon. A persimmon is orange and sweet. Cranberry. Cranberry. A cranberry is small and sour. Tangerine. A tangerine is easy to peel. Nectarine. Nectarine. A nectarine has smooth skin. Olive. Olive. An olive can be green or black. Quince. Quince. A quince is hard and yellow. Gooseberry. Gooseberry. A gooseberry is small and green. Mulberry. Mulberry. A mulberry is small. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your friends. Leave a comment and tell me what you think.